You don't know, the industry change very often, and right now one of the leaders of the new school I make a real buzz for himself right now is none other than Blvk H3ro. How about my brother?
Give thanks for that.
True man.
Moment.
I really think man, it's a drive for there with the icon right now, as I said, it's one of the names that we are here called a whole heap right now. 3 words to describe your musical style for those of us who are not familiar.
Well, my musical style definitely is eclectic. You can't go wrong it. It have this weirdness to it, but it still seems nostalgic, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It have a perspective. You're always gonna find a perspective in my songs, whether it's personal or from somebody else's perspective.
Yeah.
And I just feel it very blunt. It gets to the point, you know what I mean? No beat around the bush or nothing.
Why such a bluntness though?
I'm very outspoken. I'm just call a spade, and I feel like the beat around the bush and the immature thing are what kind of affect our society right now, where I see it like people are able to make clear decisions. You follow a hype or somebody. Make your own decision, be firm in yourself, isn't it? So that's where it comes from.
Are the Rasta influence that?
Definitely a part of it, because the rest of them, when me grew up around, it wasn't really like the musician, like on the music me learned meet them through. I like streets and them very militant.
True man. Tell me about the name, because it's a very powerful name you have right there.
Yeah. Blvk H3ro, they're my lowest moment, need a hero.
Yeah.
Friends turned them back, everything with up on that journey and the purpose, and I just did alone and just hear a voice keep on and say, no, you want hero. And I don't know if it's because I go through that transformation and I read more Marcus Garvey, I just study more. I just say, no, he's a Blvk H3ro. And I swear to you, from that day, there's something just click.
Was music the main thing you focus on?
Well, I say like since 2012, you know, we left school and stuff, yeah, but before that, no, they couldn't tell me that like we didn't want to be a neurosurgeon or something to do with the sciences, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's like through my parents grew up in a church and we used to play the drum, and it's like all them look a seed they like perform at school, talent show, and I always play the desk for the artists them. And I used to play drum and the idol and them used to come and excel so I come perform and I'm up on the desk. So I feel like all of that just kinda soak in, and when this just reached me, like it find me, it's like perfect, isn't it?
So speaking of the idol and them now, like who are some of the local influences on Blvk H3ro? Who are some of your Blvk H3ros?
Straight. My Blvk H3ro, them kind of powerful. That's my influence them for real. Waterford I come from, so Vibes Cartel influence is evident. I rate them lyricism, I rate them approach, him work ethic, isn't it?
Yeah.
I work hard to something I can really
extremely hard.
As a Waterford youth.
Yeah.
So, then I'm not going there. Well, you said the local scene, but I'm not left out Michael Jackson. I said everyone got Michael Jackson. Yeah, like a Jamaican policy. And then honestly, outside of that, I only come home and say Bounty Killer and Sizzler and them, because as I said, the music not only give them have the fun love inside them, give that blunt, blunt perspective them, which really help me grow as a man.
I know enough people are watching interview and say, what have you to know about Tiny Kibos here?
I need to me like. Me discover him actually when I was like a fan of hip hop fully, and then I find out he did have a hip hop album, and then I learn and I lead me back to him reggae side. So it was the true reggae. It was from him hip hop side. Then come back, I find out say, what? And you that tough, like isn't it? Like, anyway, the anime come on, so big up yourself.
Talk to me now just about like your journey. I just start hear the name Blvk H3ro like crazy all of a sudden. What happened?
I'll be real with you, like. I just know at first in my life never have a PR, or the first in my life never have certain things. It's really been like either one man army or just me and my brethren, just I do certain things, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's like, I feel like what people really see now is just, there's no way somebody can be so consistent for so long. I'm not trying, no one, no gimmicks, no one, no controversy, but my thing, I just really rate the music.
Yeah.
And I feel like that is what's really standing out for me personally.
Consider yourself a reggae artist or a dancehall artist?
Both. Like if Drake is like the combination of what R&B and hip hop is me, and that reggae and dancehall in one. Like you can definitely sing reggae tunes and I can get some original, so it me the same way. Same consciousness, but on two different platforms, two different canvas. So.
Yeah.
I want to be able to do the two of them strong. I want to be able to go up on a stage and
like Kalanji.
Yeah, like the real artists. Like I can't tell them on the full package. Like Capitan, like Sizzler, like you know what I mean? Most people do that. Like to me, if I can't tell them, doesn't really see, do much I'm reggae side, but I have reggae songs. Picture me wake up this morning, roll out, you know what I mean? All them songs, it's like all that, I just want to be like all that. I don't want to just be one. But reggae music is for me like reggae, I say it in the song, reggae build the walls, and dancehall with the house rock.
Yeah.
So we are living a reggae house.
I really talk. And as a young youth now, you know, you always hear this controversy or debate about, you know, what the young youth them do nowadays is actually dancehall or actually reggae. You know what I mean? As a young youth yourself, how you feel about, you know, some of the criticisms about the sound of the new generation?
Alright, just being a youth, I for just say one thing, I'm just glad, like in my era, maybe if I say different. What me that call subgenres of things, isn't me like, oh, we have reggae soul, we have a type of R&B dancehall with Dexter and everybody.
Yeah.
I'm seeing so much different avenues for you now. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I just don't want nobody get it confused. Like, isn't me? If you're creating something new, label your thing, push it out. So only can be the masters of that destiny there.
Yeah.
But that thing when in reggae and dancehall, there's far too many artists, or there's far too many pillars and shoulders where we are stand up on for we claim to be transforming it.
Yeah, me too bad. Every word and every verb is very crucial.
What's the single where you are promoting hard right now?
My name The Greatest. You think that's the single where like bring the project this year, like you know, feel brave enough over the last 2 years and work hard and learn a few things. Put out a full body of work. So the first single, The Greatest, 2021. That song they just more everybody when them sing it, when them realize it right from a perspective, so you can sing full-heartedly like a you.
Yeah.
Me's, being me's and eyes, because one, you know, say yo, the last 2 years are the most confusing time in human history, and we're still there.
The story of the greatest.
Now tell them how they can find you on social media.
Alright, so Blvk H3ro, that's the regular spelling you can find it, but for the dieted fan them, you know I can't leave out that spelling, isn't it? Blvk and hero with a 3.
Yeah.
That's how unique it is, down to me, my own spelling and everything, isn't it? Yeah, so Blvk H3ro, Blvk H3ro, good to go.
Last thing on Blvk H3ro, I want you to tell me what's the most intense thing about Blvk H3ro?
My work ethic. Can't go on it like hard, like I don't know if my father I get it from, but when it hard work, right now if I cut myself it just jump out.
Yeah.
Straight to hard work, I really my middle name like it now gonna stop. We have that conversation at 20 years from now, I swear.
I don't know, but from what me see still one of the most intense thing about Blvk H3ro for me so far is just your consciousness. Your consciousness to brother. Yeah man, yeah man, you know what I mean? The future bright for the artists like you, the youth live up to him name, Blvk H3ro. Boom.